Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sila and this is Dr. Sila Bio Labs. Here we make science simple, exciting and unforgettable. So let's join and explore together.
Ever wondered what? Struggling to clean around your braces? Let's simplify that. I'm Dr. Sila, and I'll show you the right way to get that perfect clean. First, angle your brush 45 degrees downward. Use small circles to gently clean around the brackets and along the gum line. Then, angle it upward to clean the other side. This gets all the hidden plaque. Perfect! A clean smile is a healthy smile. You've got this.
Brushing with braces can be tricky, but the right technique makes all the difference. Use small, gentle circles, making sure to clean around every bracket and wire. Focus on those important areas like the brackets, bands, and gum line for a healthy, shiny smile. For those tight spots, it's time to switch to a proxy brush. Struggling to clean around your braces? Those tight spots can trap plaque and cause cavities. Meet your new best friend, the proxy brush. It's specially designed for cleaning around braces. Simply guide it between your teeth and along the wires. Gently move it up and down to remove all that hidden gunk. Don't forget to clean the back and front edges of each bracket for a thorough clean. Follow this simple routine for a healthy, sparkling smile. You've got this.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sila. If you have braces, flossing can feel tricky, but it's super important. Let me show you how easy it is with a floss threader. First, gently thread the floss under the arch wire. This is the key to reaching the tight spaces. Then, curve the floss around the tooth and glide it up and down to clean the surface thoroughly. Don't forget to go gently below the gum line to remove hidden bacteria and keep your gums healthy. And just like that, your upper teeth are sparkling clean. For the lower teeth, you'll thread the floss up from underneath the arch wire. Repeat the same gentle C motion, cleaning each side of every tooth and under the gums. To finish, just pull the floss out to the side to avoid damaging the wires. Great job! Combine flossing with brushing and a proxy brush for the best results. Keep smiling with confidence. Healthy braces need daily care. Let me show you how a little routine leads to a lifetime of smiles. Gently brushing and flossing around each bracket and wire keeps your teeth strong and your gums healthy. And the result? A confident, healthy smile you can be proud of. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.